What if the Mongol Empire had conquered all of Europe after crushing Poland and Hungary in 1241? Ögedei Khan was supposed to die that year, but imagine he lived and ordered the invasion to continue. Within months, the Holy Roman Empire would have crumbled like paper. The Pope would have fled Rome, probably ending up hiding in some English monastery. But here's where it gets interesting. Europe would have been plugged into the world's most advanced postal system overnight. The Silk Road would have stretched all the way to Atlantic ports centuries early. Religious tolerance would have been enforced continent-wide under Mongol law. European feudalism? It never would have existed. Instead of peasants tied to land, you'd have merit-based advancement and religious freedom. The Renaissance might have started in 1300 instead of 1500. Europe could have become the center of global learning 200 years ahead of schedule. One man's death in 1241 may have delayed European dominance by centuries.